Wow, and welcome back to Weekend on Wheels, and I'm Girish. And this video I'm particularly doing for all those followers on Instagram as well as on YouTube who's waiting to watch my Ladakh series videos and all of it. I kind of have a really disheartening news. Unfortunately, my hard disk crashed. That is this Seagate One Touch 4 TB hard disk, which I had carried to Ladakh to have my backup of all the videos in this particular hard disk. And just last week, I thought let me start with a nice big bang intro video for my Ladakh ride, and I took out and I was just copying my files from the hard disk to my system, and suddenly I don't know what happened, the system crashed, and after which this is just not detected in the laptop and I'm not able to access any of my files, which is very disheartening for me personally. And I have lost 780 GB of content, that is for 14 days content, which was recorded during my entire journey of Ladakh ride from the starting till we reached back to Chandigarh. I didn't want to give out this news the entire last week because I was trying to recover the data from this somehow by using backend support by Seagate, and then by watching few videos and trying to recover if I could do any data backup, but I could not. So for the next 30 to 45 days I will not be able to put any Leh content, the Ladakh ride content, if I'm lucky. So I'm going to send this hard disk back to Seagate, and they're going to ship this back to Netherlands, Amsterdam, and try to recover the data. So this had happened once last year, same time with me, and they did recover the entire data and give it back to me for free. So similar support they are extending to this one because I have the warranty on this hard disk. So they are going to try recover the data. If that happens, it's good news. I will be able to put out all the content of my Ladakh ride after 40-45 days, because this has to go to Norway, get the data recovered, and then come back to India, and then I'll be able to access all the data, and then I'll be able to put out content. If not, I'm extremely sad to say that my entire Ladakh ride this year content is lost. While you might be seeing a lot of content that I'm putting on Instagram in terms of reels from day one and all those things, so those content were exclusively shot for reels, and I will not be able to use any of those content for my videos because those are shot on vertical, and also there's no voiceover on that, so I'll not be able to use any of these. So just wanted to inform this to you guys. So meanwhile you will see me doing content. You'll see a lot of other content coming during this time, but Ladakh content looks doubtful for now. I have no words. I'm lost in words because I'm extremely disheartened for what has happened on my hard disk. There's no content been available. So that's what is the update from my end. But you will see a lot of content about Ladakh, getting how to prep for Ladakh, what is the kind of riding gears that you need to carry, how to prepare yourself for Ladakh ride. So those short content will be done meanwhile to keep you guys occupied, and also a lot of content regarding monsoon, how to prep your motorcycle for monsoon, how to ride in monsoon. So those content will be coming out soon. So thanks everyone for being patient enough and hearing me out. And yeah, that's it for now. I'll see you soon. Bye bye guys. Keep it rolling.